Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the currency rupee symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
Now, how to insert a rupee symbol in your Google Docs mobile? I just going to show in this short form of video. So I just opening this document and just going to edit it. So now you just need to insert a rupee symbol. So there is a no symbol option to insert in the Google Docs. They didn't given any symbol insert option here. So you just need to use your, here I am using Google Gboard or keyboard. So you just want to click this option. Then you just need to click this option and you can see there is a lot of currency symbol, but there is a no rupee symbol. So here the shortcut, and it's a hidden trick. You just need to long press on the dollar symbol. You can see there is a pop-up of different currencies. Here you can find this rupee symbol. Just click this. Like this, you can just easily insert the rupee symbol. Just long press on the dollar symbol and you can just insert rupee symbol by using this particular option. And this is how you just insert the rupee symbol on your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.